Heavy rains battered several parts of Jammu and Kashmir, flooding low-lying areas, damaging property and disrupting normal life in many districts. In fact, incessant rain, landslides and flooding has not just impacted life in the Union Territory, but also in neighbouring areas. Due to incessant waterlogging, routes from Punjab's Pathankot to Jammu have been blocked for over 24 hours now, as Gurpreet Chinna has been reporting from Ground Zero. The NDRF has reached the spot to carry out rescue operations, but the traffic has been disrupted and the movement towards Jammu has been halted completely. My colleague Gurpreet Chinna has been taking stock of the situation. Take a look at his report.
We are reporting on this highway that is from that goes from Pathankot towards Jammu. First of all, I'll request my video to show all the ground visual. We have seen the NDRF team has already been reached here and the water level has already gone up to the danger mark, and we have seen there is a huge chaos on this road. The people, they have been stranded for the last whole night. They are not able to move towards Jammu. What we have learned, the most of the roads have already been washed away, and that is one of the main reasons why they have decided not to allow anybody to move towards Jammu. This area which we are showing at this point of time, this is called Kailashpur village, where we have seen multiple families have already been trapped in the water, and we have seen the NDRF team has already reached here to rescue a lot of families. Well, I'll request my Vijay to come along with me to show how the NDRF is continuing this rescue operation. They have started this rescue operation, and this is the national highway which leads from Amritsar towards Jammu, from where we are reporting at this point of time. We can also see even the ambulance vehicle is not being allowed at this point of time. But as of now, what we are reporting, what we have been seeing from last night onwards, there is a total block on this road because they have learned the road had been washed away from the various locations, and that is one of the main reasons why they are not allowing a single vehicle to move towards Jammu.